You from the west, but you move around like Bay, yeah. All like that day, yeah. Oh, you just ride around and running off the bed, yeah. I want you here now, I'm just sitting on my baby. You
Welcome back to a Sunday reset with Yeada. I feel like I'm on an episode of Moesha right now, right in a way, but I also wanted to share my Sunday reset with y'all. I like to do these often. Some are similar, some are different, but I like to make sure I get myself back on track. So let's take a look at how today's went. I woke up to some fresh air, birds chirping, did a little scrolling on my phone, which I'm trying to get better at. But to be fair, I did open the Bible app so I could read my verse of the day. One thing I told myself to get back at was my 5-minute journal. I slacked off, I'm not gonna lie, but I find that my days are different when I don't journal in the mornings, so we definitely had to get back to it. Not that I have bad days or anything, but if you're a journaler, then you know what I mean. A part of that everyday routine is gone. Comment below if you're someone that journals. I find it very therapeutic. You should try this journal, the 5-minute one. I did drop a link down in my description box if you do want to try it out. Utilizing the Sundays for laundry and tidying up your space just always seems right. It makes the environment more peaceful, and that means less distractions during the week. You know the saying, if your space is not right, you're not right. And that's facts. So I like to clean very often and light a candle when I'm done because it just makes the room more peaceful. What is Sunday without church and brunch? Yes, I did go to service. I just didn't film it. But once I got back home, I had to make me some brunch. Did a little bit of a meal prep, but with fruit. That way I can grab it on the go during the week. One less thing that I have to worry about, and something that I will highly recommend, especially when you're pressed for time in the mornings. If you don't meal prep, I would suggest trying it out and see how you feel. It will definitely make you feel more proactive. Fresh sheets and bedding will always make falling asleep that much better, so starting the week off with fresh ones is a must. Sundays, I like to take the extra time to clean and not just make things look neat, but actually deep clean the house. I'm talking sweeping, mopping, vacuuming, wiping down those mirrors and tables. Sunday resets are perfect for someone to reduce stress and anxiety, do some self-care and reflection, review finances, set goals, home organization, get in that mental clarity. I'd say practice it on a regular. You'll become a better person. I enjoy the moments spent with myself, and this is definitely a way to do it. So open those windows, turn on some music, and give it a go. Okay? Well, that is my reset for today. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on social media too. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in my next one.